Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry chapter-wise. Begin by thoroughly reading each chapter to grasp the main ideas and learning objectives. Focus on understanding the why behind reactions and principles, rather than just rote memorization. Create a brief outline of the chapter's key sections to organize your thoughts. This initial overview helps you see the bigger picture before diving into specifics. After your initial read-through, engage in active learning. Summarize each section in your own words, highlighting crucial formulas, equations, and definitions. Work through all the example problems provided in your textbook, ensuring you understand each step. Don't just read solutions, try to solve them yourself first. This hands-on approach solidifies your understanding and identifies areas needing more attention. Consistent practice is vital for mastering chemistry. Tackle all the end-of-chapter problems, even the ones that seem difficult. If you get stuck, try to pinpoint exactly where your understanding breaks down. Review those specific concepts and then re-attempt the problem. Consider forming a study group to discuss complex topics and explain concepts to each other, which reinforces your own learning. To ensure long-term retention, implement a spaced repetition schedule. Regularly revisit older chapters, perhaps once a week, to keep the information fresh. Before exams, create a comprehensive summary sheet or mind map that connects all the concepts across different chapters. This holistic view helps you see how everything fits together. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your study environment, check out the Echo Dot Smart Speaker and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.